Okay, so we're in the home run stretch here. We've got one more thing to take a look at, and then our destination is just right up there. So right beside us here, you can actually see part of it curving away. So what we have here is we have a logging spur. Again, I don't have any info because the dummy that I am, I forgot the sheets in the truck. I do know that this is the E. Anderson logging spur. And so what we're going to do is the same thing. I'm going to do the voiceover and tell you about it, and then I can actually show you a map on the LiDAR, and then I will show you the timetables.
At milepost 71.5 or 100.3 on the original line, there was a spur belonging to the E. Anderson Company from 1928 to 1934. It was a 16-car or 15-car spur connected at the west end. Interestingly enough, from 1941 to 1946, there was a spur on the Kinghorn subdivision between Long Lac and Geraldton at milepost 5.3. That possibly is the same company.
All right, let's have a look at this spur here. Uncharted territory. I have not been over this before. No idea where I'm going. You can definitely see that it's a spur. Very, very well defined here. We trying to see if we could feel some indentations from the ties here. Not really. Feel anything from the ties. Really see the definition of the spur here. No, here, look, here. No, come on, get, go. See right here, right here. Yeah, you can starting to feel the spots from the ties now. Now, this is where it gets a little interesting, because I don't see a defined grade anymore. I can see it on the LiDAR. Is it over here? Yeah, right through here. Lost it there for a second. I don't know if it's got anything to do with it here. Look, you can see a big piece of cable. More cable here. Oh, where are we here? Well, it wasn't a particularly long spur, so we got to be getting close to the end here. Is that just a rock? Yeah, that's just a rock. You still kind of see a little bit here. You can kind of see something here. Again, I don't think that was this long. You can definitely see there's a hump here in the middle. Again, I don't think the spur was this long, so they may have eventually used this as a road. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to hold up here. This is probably as far as we're going to go. So, kind of a neat little piece of history. Okay, this is it. You know, I'm excited, Ludy's excited. I love doing these hikes, but the last couple days have been killer. The end of our hike is just right up there. That is the branch of Graham Road. And that's where we picked up yesterday's hike from. Alrighty. We are at the end. Luna, stay with me. Stay here. Gotta be careful here. The road can be busy. So, this is the branch of Graham Road. So it goes into the lake over there. You can actually see there's some ties that are still here. I think there's more that are buried underneath. I see 1, 2. I'm pretty sure there's some more. So in any case, this is the end. Hopefully you have enjoyed today's exploration, all the things that we've seen, George Station, all the stuff around Knowlton / Graham, great points of interest. So again, we have done this section already, so we did this section yesterday, and so make sure that you check out that section. It's going to take you all the way to Oscar, from past Oscar to past Petrie, and then from past Petrie all the way up past Quorn to the washout at Selwyn Lake. So again, we've done that already. At least one of the 3 parts, we did that yesterday. So in any case, hopefully you enjoyed today's exploration, and make sure you come back and stay tuned for yet more episodes.